Every day I get more afraid of giving my heart away, scared of what love will bring, nervous to hear the words you say. I'm putting my life in your hands. Now it is all up to you. I look forward to the places we go and the things we'll be put through. I don't want my heart broken, but I'm so in love with you. I can't seem to give up a woman sent from above. Don't take it for granted, might not last long. I have weak thoughts and my heart isn't that strong. So I'm gonna trust you. Please don't let me down, for I am